The unstoppable uptrend on gold may cause the irrational decisions. For the last 3 months, gold is trading in a crazy bullish trend, with new all-time highs being set almost daily. In this video, we'll discuss critical mistakes that traders often make in the midst of such a bullish run. And we will discuss the strategies to maximize your gains. Traders, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. Always remember that technical indicators that measure the strength or the momentum of a current market trend that show overbought and oversold conditions of the market fail miserably in strong bullish or bearish trends. I'm talking about such technical indicators as relative strength index, moving average, convergence, divergence, or for example the stochastic. The fact that one of these indicators shows the overbought or oversold condition or even a bullish or bearish divergence most of the time will be a false signal. Have a look at RSI on gold on a daily. When the market was forming this bullish candle, the indicator showed the overbought condition. However, gold went more than 1000 pips higher before we saw the first pullback. Moreover, if we zoom in the chart now, we can also see a clear divergence. And again, the divergence here gives a very poor signal. When the market starts setting the new all-time highs, people often say that the price is already too high. They start closing their long positions and sometimes they even start shorting. Please remember that the notion of too high is very subjective. Have a look at a bullish rally on gold in 2020. When the market set a new higher high on a daily, many people start saying that it is already too high. However, after that, the rally continued and the market was growing for 4 consecutive months. It simply means that the fact that the market just set a new all-time high doesn't mean anything, and the market may keep growing and growing and growing. Even though bullish rallies can be long, always remember that they cannot last forever. At some moment, a correction or even a bearish reversal will occur. For that reason, it is so important to set realistic targets and goals. When the market is trading in the uncharted territory, it is almost impossible to predict where it will find the next resistance. With the take profit order, you may close your trade too soon. If you see that the market is driven by euphoria, if you see that the market keeps setting the new all-time highs, I recommend removing take profit level. And I recommend applying a trailing stop instead. Keep your stop loss below the closest support or below the moving average, or apply ATR indicator or any other technical tool. That will help you to benefit from the entire bullish rally. In a strong bullish trend, classic bearish reversal patterns have very low accuracy, especially on minutes time frames. Look at this sequence of double top patterns that were formed on gold on 15 minutes time frame. That is the perfect example of a manipulation and how smart money induce retail traders to start selling. Never sell a bullish rally. If the market is driven by greed, fear, or euphoria, never go against it. The chance that you will accurately predict the turning point is close to zero. In such a strong bullish trend, your best friends are the trend following patterns. In times of strong bullish or bearish rallies, the data in the economic calendar, the important news releases stop giving the reliable trading signals. In such periods, emotions become the main driver of the market, not the fundamentals. I can imagine how terrible you feel yourself if you did not manage to buy gold on a good price. It is so painful and it is so sad to watch how the market keeps going higher and higher without you. However, always remember the rule. If you missed the rally, let it go. With each new highs that the market sets, your potential gains drop dramatically and the risks increase. And I guess you would agree with me that buying gold now is too late, and now we should wait for some correction, for some pullback before we can buy again. Stay calm and patient and do not let your emotions intervene. I hope that these tips will help you to not get burned while gold is on fire. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Also, traders, do not forget to watch my other videos.